Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about lists in Python. So we've talked about variables, and so before defining a list, we start by creating a variable. So we're going to call this, let's call it list1 equals, so you start a list by creating brackets around what you want to type. Then you put strings in between, so we can print hi, or comment. Each string is separated by a comma. Okay, so we have our first list. Let's try printing this list. Sorry, run. Gotta turn that on. Comment down below. So it printed our list. Now what if we just want to print one thing within a list? Well, by doing that, we can do this. Comment. So the reason I put a 0 in that produced comment is because in Python recognizes or counts by 0, starting with 0, and then so on. Wow, usually we start with 1. So when we typed in 0, Python started by our 0th term, or first term, which is comment. So it printed comment. If we do 1, it should print, what do you think? That's right, it'll print down. And if we print 2, it'll print below. So if you print the whole thing, it'll say comment down below. So the comma, each comma here, tells Python when a string is ending, and then it adds 1 to the next number here. Now, what if we want to call the last one? Is there an easier one to do this than just typing in 2? Maybe. -1 below. If this is 0 and we're going backwards, it'll go here. -1, -2, -3. Let's try -3. What will it print? That's right, comment. Okay, so now that we know the basics of creating lists and how to print specific things in lists, what if we want to add something? So we can do this by doing list, _1 dot append hi. We do this, we can see how Python added hi to the end. So by using list.append, I'll put this in a comment for you guys so you can refer back to this throughout the video. Whatever you want. It added hi to the end. Now what if we wanted to insert something? See, when you use an insert, instead of just typing something at the end, we can insert it. When using insert, we want to put the specific location. So that's 0, so put it right there, 1, and down will be 2. And then the second thing after the comma tells us what we want to insert, as shown here. Comment, then hi, then down, then below. Okay, what if you wanted to delete something from a list? You can do delete list _1 brackets 0. If we try this, oh look, it deleted comment. So we can do hashtag del list name brackets where it is, and then insert list _1 dot insert, as we can just go back and see the insert is used by doing this _insert, then the position, and yeah. Okay, So what if we want to add two lists together? We can do that by creating a new variable. Well, first we have to create another list. So list underscore 2 equals this, 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 this. Hi. Hello. Howdy. We can create list combo equals list underscore 1 plus list underscore 2. Print list underscore combo. If we print this, it will print both lists combined. So comment down below, howdy, hello, hi. Now what if we do this? Sort list combo. Oops. I believe it is this. I might be mistaken, but it's either this one. Sort is not defined. List underscore 1 dot sort 2 dot sort. Okay, well, anyways, that's how you add lists together. Let me open something. Oh, okay. There you go. Now when we do this, it'll do below, comment down, hello, hi, howdy. This is sorted by alphabetically. B, C, D, H, or E, I, and O. Okay, so that is the basics of how to create a list. In this video, we covered how to combine lists, how to define a list in the first place, how to add things to our list, how to delete things from our list, how to insert things to our list in specific places, how to sort our list. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want me to post a video on a topic. If you want any help on anything, just subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified for any more videos, and be sure to like. Alright, thank you, and have fun coding.